Hi, how are you going? I bought one of these from PB Electronics in Auckland, and I found that it wouldn't go. And then when I looked at it, I saw right at the end here, I don't know whether you can see it properly, but there is a hole where the small connector should be, and it was all loose. And when I took the top off, what happens is you undo four screws at the bottom, and then this top pops out. And I found that the connector had detached itself completely from the circuit board, and this was brand new from the place. Trouble is, by the time I discovered it, I'd lost the purchase receipt. So I bought another one, and this is what it looks like. And you can see that it's got the connector in there, and then when I put this connector into it, I find that it doesn't go flush right up to the end, and it waggles around, and it's got every potential of actually breaking, and you've got to handle it very carefully. Not all sometimes I've got to plug it into one of the ports here to make it go. Sometimes the port's a bit intermittent in the way that they go. I press my mouse and to put my mouse into one port, there, doesn't go. Put mouse into another port, yes it does. Then it stops going, put a mouse. So what I want to tell you is this is just a piece of rubbish, and the big fault is the connector at the end. All you have to do is push it in too hard to try and make it sit flush. You don't know what you're doing, and it just pushes the connector right off the circuit board. There's not much that holds this small connector onto the circuit board. So I paid 35 New Zealand dollars for this, and to me it's just a waste of money, and I wouldn't suggest that anybody buys it. It's just a piece of rubbish, and I think there are cheaper USB ports, USB hubs out there. I bought one from the warehouse for $19, and it works perfectly. So that's why I want to tell you, don't buy this. Don't buy this. Buy something else, but don't buy one of these. Okay, that's my video.